Episode's about to end? What? Okay, ending time. I got spoiled on who this was. I'm excited. Good old TK back at it again with the banger.
I hate those guys. They're way too powerful.
They're super powerful.
It's an absolute banger of a song.
Jesus. TK killing it with the ending.
Yeah, good ending. I feel like
Tokyo Ghoul, by the way.
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, I feel like I almost can't fully appreciate the ending because I'm in such like a spin about the episode.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, it was perfect. It perfectly capped it off because it's showing us that Himeno's like legit dead.
Yeah.
The end shot is the flowers on the grave with the cigarettes. Mm-hmm. Oh my god.